Nengo utasonduri. No yakanda go yone mubiriti ni ngofia. Agocia akejeteria gakari. Ao yeleti ya miaka yake. Nikaigehia itirio.
Na kwa kaigehia rugari.
Ngira kau hau mware wa nie. Nikaigehia rugari. Itirio. Ona kana meregetire ese when I'll tell you one day about them. Tore mod.
Was very popular
and very very classy. Mod. I'll tell you about it some other time. Sanduku la posta.
Isanduku la fodita.
Redi kare ya station genzi ri. Matimenyaga. Kile tu mama kihuria maundu. Morio P.O Box. They don't see the relevance of that.
Post office box.
Ono gedi haru huduma center. Ukore the genzi zi makihuria maundu passport and what have you. Wiwa moya adhimu. Sasa anko
mzuri sana.
P.O Box yetu inakuanga
32 kahuro.
Ati
32 kahuro.
Ni kidogo hivyo. You see, there's a time they don't know. My password.
Na email.
Yes. There's a time. Mundu anaenda kulia marua family nini. Every person in that family had the labor of memorizing it. Toti family nyingi wakoraga ati he mundu withanduku ria keria marua personal. Yes.
Hey, no, actually there are very few people.
Rarer than rare.
Ona family anyo ko mundu wariri.
Yes.
Matingikira acio.
Ithuĩ taru gwitu ri. Na to gwitu ati kwa mwangi wa thuita. Bare ya muharire. Marua matumagwo macaku. My late auntie who was the senior resident magistrate there. Lady Goka na kihiri yake kia marua.
Agata na utia kile agency ya maundu.
Ndagora okaga ukaiya mundu kuro mane makwa daddy. Man kwa picho fure anairo fijo na kabiru. Tora kwa nyina wa kabiru. Mane makwa nyina wa nguru. Tondu twandikage
marua.
Yes. Wandikaga ithanduku ria marua ria mundu uria wina ithanduku riake.
Happened to be one.
Yes. It was Lady Justice Jennifer Loita. Oh yes.
Na waria mama gutakire mundu family ni bari na ithanduku ri.
Yes.
You read on the nearby primary school.
Yes. I understand actually hizo siku ku tick mtu yukosa kurudisha barua. And you know, gutumirwo marua ma forthitari. He andu mathire primary, majetie nursery, primary, secondary, makirekia matari matumirwo marua mena thitebu.
Very true.
Stamp.
The formal way.
Yes. Of course, postcard heria pure rogo.
Kuri andu nginya muthe matamiwe ni ndui.
Na ciari okuo mekuo.
Ciari okuo.
Postcard muno ciatumagwo ni andu aria matumite mundu wao mwena nja. Yes. Yukona postcard ina the London Wheel, the London Eye. Yes. Season's greetings. Yes. Marua ma stamp.
Vitebu niguo etagwo.
Na metanagirwo kanitha kana thukuru. They to be tethered to an institution.
Iria ina ithanduku ria bothita.
Na ti primary theko. You see, nigetha tume marua na postari. Taru we kwanyu meorori. You had to walk.
No, the nearest you would get postal services.
Yes.
Is Kereaine.
Ndio hiyo. I think from our side it was Kagema.
Yes. Kana ugithie county headquarter.
Othie na biri. Ayo ndavie biri. Emalu wangu toma. Yes. So at a young age, we high school, there were those students who were very popular. Ashiro ni omara influencer hede yo.
Ama tukwasio.
Yes. Ati nwe wa anirirwo marua paredi.
Ugeterwo marua na nginya mwarimu ndeteirwo.
Na matinoka hadi delivery. Tondu heo buthi arimu matangiarutire. And you know, they would make us feel so small. Tondu ko ni irwa ria wendo ni amuonagia even the content. Muone mundu ndi mwende mwiciria atiri inyue kamuri.
Whose sons are you?
Nyimo tida hau gaigi. Ma adigiro githungu ma ngai.
Kaitaine.
Gai.
Tumokire na poster.
Nyandikiro nginya dedication ya sagi. No, marua matene ha mwisho handikiro dedication. Ipo Shaggy. Yes, my hejo. Monica. R. Kelly. Yes. Oyo Mariah Khan. Always be my babe. Open with kisses. Mukoro mulucho tamwe moni atumirwa marua mau
matano.
Yes.
Those who are serious influencer.
Warioka ideale wakiri kana minister. You see, stamp was very prestigious.
The table ya poster.
Yes.
Icoke hurwo muhuri tu kwa poster.
Kwa jogi atumirwo wari na muhuri wa P.O.
No, iyo waigaga e souvenir.
General Post Office Nairobi.
No, that one you had to keep.
Kiama Tower. No, that was like receiving an honorary doctorate. It was as prestigious as onathoguo agigutwara autire ni akwaya agithie fothita na kirio kuma na kio uturoririkanaga ni gucunithio thitambu
ya kuwa we sosi ya mata.
Yes, otueke wow ocune hero
mustiki ndi
na tio cona ningi na rutaru othe niwera wambe merie maria wina Tiwo iteruta ni wambe merie
omusho nire thitembu
ogomania tunini aya cuna kwaje turokote tuigi ni kwirimwe the Kenya Post and Telecommunication medagiria mundu stamp taruya juma last time I sent a letter mau make 22 bob
ni ukire automata ne ndire cia thaa iciratha kira na ku sabini
tene
na nigo gidipedi urato maku.
No, I think it was the year 2000. No, 2002 at most.
23 years ago.
Gitumira uma ex mara datigite thukuru. Ni wakora le muni we do to stamp to koburi.
Twasiri gigiri.
Imwe.
Ni kwale ginya twa bob.
Twa nyoni. No ina kanyoni. Yes. O yera ya goro nigu ya kanyoni exotic. Yes. Ugashona lo. Lo. Oiwato rasho no tare bia.
Thoguo mugathi hare account aine.
Yes. Hiyo sasa ndio ilikuwa nikeza stage ya nyitere. Hiyo sasa ndio ilikuwa time yetu ya kulamba lele. Wathi hare na thoguo unyiti. Tumirwo cardina post.
And you feel good.
You would even make you feel like you want to revise more. Moja ke otomira gatene mbere ya kigeranio.
Iyo koro mionete mbere ya kigeranio.
You it would motivate you a lot. Yes.
Now of course da wewe tumakaria kara hivi.
Hapana.
Karako mwanake na muiretu.
Karako mwanake na jeans hiyo ni iracokire. Mom jeans. Icio cikishia kora kairete ko ni iracokire. Ciaro mene citacokete icio. Mundu mwai na materu hau. Ara konyua pirisira.
Acoke ahingure shati githuri.
Yes, na nderu cia githuri. Metiranite ugo medanite. I don't know how it was relating to examination success.
It should have been banned. That was not children content.
No, it was not. It was X-rated content. It was promoting coupling. Mairo kadite moko na post. No kihigura waro pio dugatarwe stamp. Yes.
Ukahigura carefully.
Vitabu hore muhuri.
Muhuri we na GPO Nairobi.
Kana tata gure okoro githumo gwa sawa. Uko na Kisumu post office.
Waigua wega muno.
Wega muno.
Iyo riu yari blue tick.
Yes, iyo ni blue.
That was blue tick.
Iyo ni gutumirwo na riri na mundu wahuthira bundles umuthi. Tick sender getagwo tega kangi gatahuthira bundle. Getagwo stage getagwo sender. Sender. Gatahuthira bundle. Riu aya gitwatumagirwo na sender. Kataguo akandike kuu gicagi akaneangira sisi muthoma nake atware staff room igwe no wathomwa
parade
haria mbere and for some few seconds your heart would skip a beat wamukira ukarealize it's a very local
sender.
We had gone to the post office. You know, we are going regularly because of success card. So we have a few. Santana, Wairimu. Stacy, Wajiko, good grief. Oh my. Oh.
Akiumira hare wamukire marua maku kana success card.
Yes. Wakora nginya bacari ndiarĩ na nyamũ ya gũcil ĩcirĩtwo na mũtũndu
na wamirora wega especially yako ni arangi wa white ri
ukona ina irore cia tĩri ũrĩa ũkoragwo ndũma-inĩ
nĩ ĩronania a lot of local activity,
a lot of local soil. You know, anything white rugongori cannot maintain that whiteness. Rĩu tũiganaguo nĩ kĩ? Nĩ hard delivery. Yes.
Many of us.
Yes. Smoke signal. Kana mũndũ watũmagĩrwo marua ma posta mandĩkĩtwo tu. Yes. P.O Box. Mukwana nĩ makinya.
Kwaja mwanake watumeire muiretu mari ndugu me thukuru marua na posta ri muiretu ucio he andu akuigaga
ni akuhitukagia muno ona kihiko-ini ni akuririkanaga ona mangite na murume ni era akabaingia hikirio ni ucio
because you had ku afford gutumira muiretu wi thukuru marua na posta ri
na wi wa bocho-ini
ri you had to sacrifice a lot
money and time and energy. You walk all the way to the post office. Ucoke wandike uguo othe ucoke uro point ciaku cia githungu ni cia kabanga. I tell you the good old days.
Ya ya na reka 50